Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to add Samsung TV to Apple Home. Let's go. Important: not all Samsung TVs have Apple HomeKit support. Open Settings. All settings. General. Apple AirPlay settings. If there is a HomeKit here, open it in Apple Home and scan the QR code. If only have Apple AirPlay, then your TV does not support Apple HomeKit. That's it. Now you know how to add Samsung TV to Apple Home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.